Work out the following integral. The integral of 1 over 1 plus 4x squared dx. So this is now following on from our previous video. So the integral of 1 plus 4x squared dx is equal to the integral of 1 plus, and the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of x squared is x squared. So we can write this as 2x all squared. If we use substitution, so we let u be equal to 2x, then du by dx will be equal to 2, and therefore dx will be du over 2, because we'll need to replace that. And then using integration by substitution, so we're going to replace the 2x with a u, and then dx we're going to replace with du over 2. So it's the integral of 1 over 1 plus u squared times du over 2. Now this 2 here we can take out, and it becomes a half because of 1, and the integral of 1 over 1 plus u squared is arctan u plus c, which will give me a half of arctan 2x plus c. Okay, so there's been a video to show you how to do an integral which leads to a inverse trig result. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.